पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने है मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा। Welcome students. So as you have seen earlier, I have shared one video teaser in which I have recorded my own voice, and as the background I have used animated background. So how to make that kind of animated video while using Scratch coding language? So first of all, I'll be taking the new sprite. I'll just delete this, and even before that I want to change the backdrop. So I'll change one backdrop I'll take which I have downloaded, because in this tutorial I'll also teach you how to use your own backdrop. Although plenty of backdrops are there, but suppose you want to make your own backdrop, so you have to upload a backdrop. So I'll click on upload a backdrop, and as a result I'll go to my pictures folder where I have already downloaded some GIF images and one backdrop. So these things I'll make available for you. You can click on my download section under description. I'll share you the links and directly you can download, or either you can download your own backdrop or GIF images from Tenure or Giphy website. So that's free. I have also downloaded for that, but for the students who want to download directly, they can easily download these GIF images. So from here I'll just take this DJ lights. I'll click on open. It will take little time and it will upload. Okay, so it's been uploaded. So this is okay, nothing I have to do here. This one I don't need. Now very simple coding I have to do here. As this backdrop is selected, I'll go to code, and from here directly I'll click on events, and then from here when clicked, and then forever, here you can find forever command. I'll just click it. Very small coding is required, and then under looks I'll just click on change color effect, this command. So I'll just drag it here, and then I'll not make any changes. Change color effect by 25. Now let's see whether it's working or not. So you can see very nice effect it's making. So hence our backdrop is ready, animated backdrop is ready. Now I have to insert my own sprites. So in the same folder I'll use it. So I'll click on choose a sprite, and from here I'll upload my sprite. So I have already downloaded all these things, all these sprites, so I'll take from here. So first of all I'm taking this Giphy, click on open. It will take little time to import. In your case you can use either this sprites or you can take any sprites of your choice. So this has been uploaded, so I'll just place it here. Size and all, it depends upon you. I can increase the size or decrease the size by selecting the numeric figure here. So presently it seems okay for me, and then afterwards I have to do the coding for this. Again events, when clicked, and then under control forever loop, and under forever loop looks, next costume, and I'm using the wait command here. So wait command I'll be using under control block. So I'll just drag it here, and the time which I'll give here 0.01, very less time, because under costumes if I'll just see, so plenty of costumes are there, but they are changing very slowly. So that's why very less time is been given by me, 0.01 second. So if I click on play here, so it's working fine. Now after this I'll be taking another sprite, I'll be uploading it, upload a sprite, and then the second one, this one I'll select. So it's importing. So sometimes it takes little time to upload. So this I have uploaded, and the size is a little bigger. Even direction I'll change, little bit like this I'll make it, and size I want to make it little smaller. So let's see, 80. So this is okay for me. And now afterwards 2 more sprites, that dancing sprites. So again I'll upload, choose a sprite. I'll just save my time, I'll just select one of the sprite. Now this sprite, I'll just have selected my first sprite, Giphy 2. Because if I'll click it, this is only the animated one. And this coding, what I want to do, I'll just drag it towards the second sprite here, just to save the time. So it's been copied here. So if I'll just click it, now both are animated. Okay. Now the same I'll just drag and drop on third and fourth sprite. But the fourth sprite is also very bigger in size, this one. So I have to decrease the size. Suppose I am placing it here. Now the same code is been copied everywhere. Okay, this is the simple code. Now if I want to play, it will work, but I want this main 2 singers and guitarist, the 2 sprites should be in front. So simple trick is that you just select it, just place it in front. Now you could see it is coming in front. You select this, and then the first sprite you select, make it little in front. Now see, it's in front now. So it's a simple formula. Just you have to select the sprite and make it in front. Means you select it, that automatically comes in front. So this is okay now. Now let's see whether it's working or not. You could see it's working. I hope you have learned how to animate and how to make the background animated. Now the next step, to record own voice. So simply, even you can make the joke, 2 sprites can talk, and very simple method is you can click on sound. So I'll just select the first sprite which is singing, and on the frame sprite, what I'll do, I'll click on sound. So under sound, you could see here what tabs are there, code, costume, sounds. I'll click on sounds. So under sounds, earlier I have taught you how to upload. Here only you will find record option. So you have to click upon record option here. You will find this kind of menu will come in front, this dialog box you could say, and your earphone should be with you. If you are using mobile, then also you could use your earphone. and then you have to simply click on record. Means whatever you say after clicking on record option, it will be recorded. Suppose I'll sing a song here as I was singing earlier. Let's click on record. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. So I have stopped here. So when I was singing, it was recording my voice. The same way you could use for your jokes also, for the talk, any kind of talks you can use for your sprites. Here are, you could see two lines. From here you can select what kind of voice you want to select. Suppose if I'll select only this part, it will only play that much part. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. So here whatever part you will select, it will take. Suppose I want to select till here. Now if I want to play it, पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा. So it is taking the whole part. It depends how much part what you have recorded you want to take. Now after selecting it, you can click on save. So after clicking on save, you will see this kind of box appears, the dialog box. From here you have different options, faster, slower. If I click on faster,
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम.
So to give some cartoonish sound, you can click on faster or slower. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. Okay, so you can always use to these options here, faster, slower, louder to make the voice louder. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा louder. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा.
पापा कहते.
So I'll make it faster just to give it as effect of cartoonish sound.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ.
So I hope it is clear to you. Even robotic sound is available. You can click on robotic sound also.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करे.
So I hope it is clear. I can click on undo command here.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम
So this
करेगा.
appears okay for me, this cartoonish sound. And then afterwards I can go to my code. Under code again I'll use when clicked. Under when clicked, simply I have to use forever. When clicked forever, and then I can click on sound, the sound which I have recorded just now, place sound. So I can click it here. Now if I'll play this one.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ.
So it seems okay, perfect. Sound is also perfect. So I have already taught you how you can make your own sound in a cartoonish style. Different styles are there, or you can make it in a robotic way, and then animated background. The feel is okay. So now in this way I'll be closing my tutorial. Still, if any doubt is there, you can always write a comment or you can WhatsApp me. So I'll be eagerly waiting to see the cartoons from your side with the animated background and with your own voice. You can make anything, any singing, any talks, any jokes. So closing my tutorial. Bye bye.